Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this dough slime. As you can see, it does get a little bit messy, but it's super fun to make, and all you need is 2 ingredients, and they are dish soap, any kind, but it's good if you use another color. Mine is blue, and it is Dawn, and it will work. You'll also need some cornstarch. You'll also need something to mix in, a measuring utensil, and your hands. Let's go! First, I'm going to measure out about this much, I don't know the exact measurement, of some soap. Filled about half of it. Just going to dump that in. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cornstarch and another measuring utensil, and I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of that. And then we are going to stir that in. And I forgot to tell you that you do need something to stir with, so make sure you have one of those. In my case, I'm going to be using a colored pencil that I did use for my other one. And just keep stirring until you get a good enough batter that you can touch and play with. I'll be back when I get about that. I'm going to be adding just one more half of a tablespoon, because mine is a little too tight. Make sure you cover all of it, because that's what's going to make it doughy. And I like to call this bread slime. It should start falling apart. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to stab holes and bring some cornstarch in. I'll show you when so I finished stirring. So now what I'm going to do is take my hands and grab the dough. Just incorporate it into itself. That's what's going to make the color and also the consistency. So I'll show you when I'm finished doing this, and we will be almost finished. As you can see, I have brought it to be the consistency I like, and if you want it to be more slimy, easy way to do is to add a little bit of shaving cream. By a little bit, I mean a little bit. So yeah, that is how you make the slime. Now for a little cute montage. Okay, so I know I said we were going to be finished, but I just want to show you the cleanup. So here's my dirty bowl. So now, I'm just going to lock my sink and fill it up with some cold water. Since we made it out of soap, it is pretty easy to come off. Just scrub the bottom. And as you can see, it is almost off, and just keep scrubbing, and you'll get an ending result. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a brilliant day. And by the way, all you have to do to keep it in a closed tote. And see you guys next time. Bye!